Good day, sir. I am Robilin S. Ramirez, ABS BA1C students. And now, I am here to report about the chapter 12, which is climate change. So here's the objectives. At the end of this chapter, I should be able to explain how climate change happens, provide pieces of evidence to affirm the presence of climate change, and lastly, discuss the implications of climate change. What does climate change mean? Climate change refers to the long-term weather patterns prevailing over a given area of the planet. So it means weather can change from hour to hour, day to day, month to month, or year to year. So the term comes from a Greek word klinen, meaning to slope. It evolved into klima, connoting a zone or a region of the earth as characterized by its atmospheric conditions. In ancient Greece, the orb of the sun stood, meaning to stand, as a high angle in the sky at midnight. Altitude scales towards the north, and the daytime temperature of the air gets heated, and the clima in the north was colder than in the south because they don't get heated in sunlight. Another consideration in explaining climate change is the interaction between the sun and the earth. By that, the best way to visualize this relationship is to look at the orbit of the Earth around the Sun. With the Sun in the center, the Earth moves in an elliptical motion. How does climate change happen? Climate change is caused by the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which then trap the sun's energy and warms the planet. Climate change, in the artificial sense, is primarily driven by the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane are generated through human activity. Carbon dioxide is primarily derived from the burning of fossil fuels, and methane comes from the waste of herded animals and garbage accumulation. As these build up in the atmosphere, they trap more of the sun's energy that would normally escape. These gases act as a sort of blanket that keeps the earth by trapping heat. Over time, the earth warms ever so slowly, but the greenhouse effect has a devastating effect on the environment, especially in fragile biomes where organisms can only effectively survive in a specific temperature range. A popular effect of climate change or global warming is the melting of polar glaciers and the resulting rising of sea levels. The piece of evidence to affirm the presence of climate change, as scientists say, it is the accumulation of heat in the oceans, is the strongest evidence of how fast Earth is warming due to heat-trapping gases released by burning of fossil fuels. The implication of climate change or the impact of climate change on different sectors of society are interrelated. Drought can harm food production and human health. Flooding can lead to disease spread and damages to ecosystem and infrastructure. Human health issues can increase mortality, impact food availability, and limit worker productivity. Climate change is already impacting human health. Changes in weather and climate patterns can put lives at risk. That's all, sir. Thank you, and God bless.